Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, the place where we make fun of the morons we see out here on the road. And there's none more moronic than an idiot who's got the visual abilities of a pigeon flying with his head in the sock as he just does the U-turn without looking. What an absolute plank. Got this clip from Timbers and he's just approaching this junction. You've always got to be careful because you never know when a moron who's got the mental ability of a fish who's been out of water for half an hour is just going to pull out without looking. Unbelievable. Got this clip from Mo and he's just sitting at this red light. Keep your eye on that white car as he pulls in front of the bike and the bike just hits him in the front wing. It's a small car. He's obviously a modest man. He's got lots to be modest about. Got this clip from Big Olives and you find him at Big Olives Photo on Instagram. Stopped at this red light. Look on the left. Look, wait here until the green light shows. Look, they even need instructions at traffic lights now. Same reason they need instructions on toilet paper for morons like that. A real non-learner, that idiot. Got this clip from Stephen W. And keep your eye on this Uber idiot in the Toyota Prius. Look, he's made a mistake and now he's had to rejoin the carriageway and he chooses to rejoin it there. He's as dense as a sperm whale's erect penis, this idiot. Look, driving up the road with his indicator on, looking for his next collision. Oh, God. Got this clip from Brian T. Keep your eye on this black Mercedes here. The moron's just been overtaken by a black BMW and a white Mercedes. His pride is in pieces, his ego's dented, and now that BMW's dented, and so's the silver car dented as well. And what's he do? He's gone like a rat down a drain. That's what he's done. That moron there, when he was little and his parents used to lose him, they'd use a Geiger counter to find him. Got this clip from Riggs and he's been following this little white car for a bit, bibbing his horn, flashing his lights, trying to make the driver aware that his tailgate is open. He's bouncing up and down while he's got a boot full of gear on the way to the tip. Driver's not aware of anything, but what he will be aware of is that that tailgate doesn't fit under that height restriction as he just takes out the glass of his own car. That driver's got the hazard awareness of a rat in a dark field trying to violate a porcupine. Got this clip from Moose and he's going down Kingsway and this black Mercedes just pulls in front of him. Now, why do you want to get over to the right? I'll show you exactly why you want to get over to the right. You get over to the right because you want to turn left, of course. That driver's so dumb he'll waste a fortune buying stamps to reply to anonymous letters. Got this clip from Gazak and he's just sitting at this red traffic light just waiting for it to turn green. That's it, he can go. Well, he can't go because this idiot in the truck just goes straight through the red light. Look where it's got on the side. Your equipment secure in safe hands. Any equipment in the back of that truck would be as safe as an office junior on his first day at work in Philip Schofield's office. Got this clip from Mark L, and I don't know where this is. It's out in the countryside somewhere, but it looks really nice. Peaceful, quiet. But that peace and quiet has been smashed to smithereens by someone who's moving faster than Katie Price's gynaecologist runs out of surgery once he finds out she's on her way down for a checkup. Got this clip from Raymond D just approaching this junction. It's a bit wet, so you always want to be careful in this situation because you never know when a retard like that is just going to pull out. Sort of retard that'll get confused playing Snap. Good God. Got this clip from Jason S and he's just approaching this roundabout. And we all know that you give way to traffic from the right on a roundabout. What you doing unless you're this idiot in the van? When that idiot starts driving, his sat-nav don't speak, it prays in Latin.
We are St. Charlie's.
Got this clip from Sun27 and we're looking at this woman trying to complete the very complex task of parking a car in a massive parking space. Now give her a break, she's panicking, she's rushing to the doctor. She's suffering from two ailments at once. Diarrhea of stupidity and constipation of intelligence. Got this clip from Bob B. Now keep your eye on this white van. Watch what this moron does. Speeding down the road, cars in the way. Boom, just drives over the top of it. You need drivers like him on the road, like you need hemorrhoid suppositories coated in super glue free. Good God. Got this clip from Mohammed M. And what we're looking at is a police car parked next to Clapton Pond in Clapton, East London. Why? Because an Uber idiot has driven his Prius straight into the pond. He's regressing back to from whence he came. That idiot has got less intelligence than the pond life was in the pond. And by that I mean the pond life which you can't see with the naked eye. You need a microscope. Your Uber has arrived. Got this clip from Len Holloway and you find him on @Shoreham Yorkie on X. He sent this. This is another Uber idiot. He's driven downstairs, this retard. Look. How'd you drive downstairs? Then did say this driver's known locally as the Snake. I said, why do they call him the Snake? He said, when he shakes his head, you hear a rattling noise. On the stairs, look. Oh, God's sake. Got this clip from Paul, and he's sitting behind a big red bus as it goes through the bright amber and then the red lights. That's what we like to see. Nice bit of colour coordination in conjunction with violating the highway code rules. The Burke in the black Merc with the intelligence of camel seaman just sails straight through the red light as well, displaying all the symptoms of colour dyslexia. Got this clip from Brian T. The car's going around the country lane and the car nearly flips over. We need a steward's inquiry for the purposes of future road safety. Okay, now as you can see, it's a blind bend. Now the driver's going far too fast. His driving style should match his mental ability, which is very slow at this time. At this moment, he's displaying the navigation ability of a housefly trapped inside a switched-on tumble dryer with a load of clothes. As he hits the bank, bounces back and then hits the car. What a donut. Got this clip from Seth, and he's behind this white van, and the white van is behind the car that he's just going to stop at the red traffic light, but he ain't stopping at no traffic light as he just goes sailing through, displaying all the intelligence of a pair of dog's testicles who have just been snipped off at the vets. Got this clip from Gunn, and this clip's from Russia. Car stuck on a bus stop. Obviously Uber's arrived in Russia now, haven't they? Guys, can I ask you one very quick favour? If you like what you're seeing and I put a smile on your face, please hit that little like and subscribe button down below, because it really does help me. Thank you, guys. Let's have a look at some idiots on some bikes. Got this clip from Fidel, and you find him at Fidel UK on X. Now the sky up there's looking a bit cloudy, possible rain, but all this raining now is lycra, carbon fibre and aluminium. What happened there? We need a steward's inquiry. Guy coming towards us, he's drifting over to this side of the cycle track, and the cyclist overtaking, he's looking behind. Big mistake, and that's the end result. They all collide like three particles colliding in the Hadron Collider. I've seen more riding ability displayed from a cheese sandwich than these bunch of idiots. Got this clip from Bernie B, and he's going down a very dark road, as you can see. Now nothing quite says I'm recovering from my lobotomy surgery okay, like an idiot that goes out at night on a bike, no lights, dark clothing, and just rides in front of cars on the dark road. What a plank. Got this clip from Musa, and as you can see, the cars are all going through their green light. Keep your eye to the right. Watch what this retard does. Straight in front of that taxi, then straight in front of the bus. An unborn chicken which is still inside the egg has got far superior intelligence to that mental reprobate. Got this clip from John BJ, and he's got a little channel on YouTube. He's just approaching this light here, and from the right comes the moron with the intelligence of a traffic cone. Blissfully unaware of what a red traffic light means, but he'll be fully aware of what the inside of an ambulance looks like before long. Got this next clip, but the person who sent it never give me their name. Now keep your eye to this road on the left. You're going to see a two-wheel, two-brain cell moron on a line bike, of course. Just pulled straight out, didn't even look. Oh, he looks now after he's pulled out. Yeah, that's really safety conscious, isn't it? You got more chance of giving a Rubik's Cube to a squirrel up a tree and expecting him to solve it than expecting that idiot to ever have an intelligent thought. What a plank. Got this clip from Timbers, and he's going up the road here, and he's overtaken by another two-wheel idiot who's suffering mental regression. He's got two wheels on his bike, but he only uses one, exactly the same way as he uses his brain. He's got two brain cells, but only ever uses one at the best of times. Got this clip from John B. Jan. He's got a little channel on YouTube. Now, as you can see, you've got two vans waiting at the traffic lights. There's the first one. Second one behind him is a police van. Lights are gone to green, yeah? Now, watch what comes in front of the white transit van. Deliveroo Dummeroo rider, and nearly goes in front of that silver car as well. Now, PC Plod ain't happy with him. He's about to feel the long arm of the law. And now that two-wheel retard with a brain which is smaller than that of a human sperm tadpole is about to find out why it is really a good idea to stop at red lights. Got this clip from Marin, and this car's just going down the road approaching this junction, and the retard from the right with the intelligence of a Johnson's cotton bud just comes sailing out in front of him. That sort of retard is so disliked. Whenever he goes to the dentist gives himself a shot of anaesthetic before he comes in. Got this clip from Seth, and he's just going around this like roundabout up by Paddington near Little Venice, and you've got this retard here who just pulls round in front of him, doesn't even look over his shoulder, nothing, totally oblivious, probably don't even know his own name. This idiot's so dumb he thinks Cheerios are little donut seeds. Now if you like what you see here, please like and subscribe if you ain't done it already, because it really does help. What we're looking at here is a lovely Porsche 911 S 1967. My friend Aziz found this car parked up, and you can find him at Aziz Baseman 70 on X. Absolutely stunning. 1967, 57 years old, exactly the same age as me. Thanks a lot to everyone who sent in video clips. Really appreciate you guys. That really is it. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.